y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kina Bina. Thanks for tuning in. Today I decided that I was going to show you guys how to make some candy apples. So if you're interested in seeing how to make this quick, easy dessert for the kids, for the adults, we usually only get candy apples maybe once out of a year or maybe twice out of the year. Most of us go to the fair to get a candy apple, or some of us know how to make it at home. But today, for those of you who don't know how to make candy apples, I'm going to show you how to do this quick, easy dessert that you, your friends, your kids can enjoy. If you're interested in seeing, go ahead and continue watching. Now it's time to show you everything you're going to need to complete making the candy apples. First things first, you're going to need some green apples. Go ahead and wash and dry those with a paper towel. You're going to also need 2 cups of sugar, a half a cup of water, 3/4 of the Karo light corn syrup. Don't use the dark one. Go ahead and use only the clear one. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of food coloring. I'm going to go ahead and use the red one because it makes like a darker candy apple. And also you're going to need some skewers. This is to poke inside of the apples. You're also going to need a thermometer. Temperature, wow. Okay, you're going to need a thermometer. I'm going to use this thermometer, but it's better to use a candy thermometer. But hey, they all do the same job. So, okay, we're going to use this. Alright, so now that you have everything you're going to need to complete the candy apples, let's get started. Okay, so now it's time to start adding all of the ingredients inside the saucepan. First things first, I'm going to add the sugar. Also going to add the Karo syrup. Add all that in. Go ahead and add the cup of water, and also about 2 tablespoons of food coloring. Here I have the apples that I already pushed the skewer inside. So now we're going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, so now the candy is boiling and we're waiting for it to get to 320 degrees. And then that's when we're going to coat the apples in the candy. Be right back. Now you can see that the candy is starting to get hardening. Very thick consistency. So now it's time to coat our apples. So go ahead and watch me do this. And let's go. Okay, so now you have to work very fast when doing this. So you're going to go ahead and take your apple and you're going to go ahead and just like turn it around in the saucepan until the apple is coated, literally all the way coated. You see what I'm doing? I'm doing it just like this. There you have an apple. You're going to go ahead and place it on the saucepan. I'm only doing 3 apples. I don't know why I made so much candy, but with this much candy and the ingredients I gave you, I believe that this can make maybe about 8 candy apples. So I'm gonna have a lot of candy left over, which probably will go to waste, but it's okay. Most importantly, I showed you guys how to make the apples. So as you can see, I'm just twirling it, making sure the apples are coated. That I'm gonna go ahead and dump it on here. And this is my last one. And before you do this, you want to make sure that the apples are not wet. You want to make sure you dry them because that will give you bubbles, air bubbles inside your apples, and that's not really what you want. So it's best that you dry them and make sure they're not wet at all. So this is my last one. I'm going to go ahead and dump it right here. And there we have it, candy apples. right, guys, we have reached the ending of this video. You have it, the way to making candy apples, the quick, the easy way. Now you don't have to wait for the state fair. You can whip it up right in your kitchen, and guess what? It only takes 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the notification bell for you can always be alerted when I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.